Hello everyone, I am Daksh Nathani and today I am going to explain the ruler trick experiment. So for this experiment we need a ball, scale and a paper. Now first if we keep a scale like this at the edge of the table and throw a ball, it bounces off. So from this we can say the mass of the scale is not enough to stop it from falling down. Now if we place an A4 sheet on the ruler and then throw a ball, the ruler does not fall down. Now if we crush this A4 sheet and keep it on the scale and throw the ball, the scale bounces off. Now if we keep a pouch which is slightly heavier than the paper and throw a ball, the ruler still bounces off, but it does not bounce when we keep the paper and throw the ball. So from the above experiments we can say the mass of the scale and the A4 sheet is not the factor which is stopping the scale from bouncing off. So if it's not the mass and then it should be either air resistance or atmospheric pressure, but it is not air resistance also because it acts for a very small time just when the scale is trying to bounce. So from the above experiments we can say the atmospheric pressure is the factor which is stopping the scale from falling down. Now if we place an A4 sheet on the scale and just keep the ball on the scale falls down. But if we throw the ball, the ruler does not fall. So from the above experiments, why does the A4 sheet fall when we keep the ball on the scale, but does not fall when we throw the ball? When we throw the ball, more force is given to the scale, but it does not fall because the force acts for a very short time. For the A4 sheet, there is low pressure inside the A4 sheet because air is less inside and air is more outside. So there acts a force downwards. So when we give the force suddenly, the time is not enough for the air to flow inside the A4 sheet. But when we give a constant force, enough time is there for air to flow inside the A4 sheet, which causes it to fall down. Now if we try this experiment again by keeping a scale on a surface with holes on it that air passes through it. Now if we keep an paper on it and throw a ball, the scale falls down. So now from the above experiments we can prove that the scale does not fall down because of atmospheric pressure, as keeping the scale on a surface with holes on it so that air can pass through it, the scale falls down from that surface. But if we keep it on a table which does not let air pass through it, the scale does not fall down. Calculate the amount of force acting on the scale because of atmospheric pressure. We can't say the force is atmospheric pressure into the area of paper, as below the paper we don't have a vacuum. Some air is there below the paper, but that air is less compared to the air outside. So force is the pressure difference into area, but we don't know the pressure difference, so we can't find the exact force acting on the paper. Thank you.